Yo, what is going on, y'all? V-Rob here. Today what we got going on, this is my first video back from my little vacation / break that I took from YouTube, y'all. I wanted to do something pretty different for you guys since, you know, free agency is starting this weekend. There isn't too much to really cover besides just rumors that we don't know if are true or not. But what I'm going to be showing you guys today is my room tour. This room, yo, I spent almost a good majority of my day in, whether it's playing 2K, whether it's just playing on the PlayStation, talking with my friends, making some phone calls, working on YouTube, just chilling, maybe taking a nap. Listening to music. So I'm going to show you guys my room and basically everything in there, story behind everything, and let's go, y'all. Now guys, since we are in the room, I think I'm going to show you guys over here towards my desk area, give you guys a little backstory of everything behind it, y'all, where I work, where I record all the time, y'all. So let's go over here towards the desk, y'all. I do not have a cameraman, so add a transition. So guys, over at the desk area right here, one thing that is annoying is that this wall where the closet is, it comes out. So I've had a lot of problems with putting lighting over here and whatnot. But this is my setup, y'all. I'm going to go over each little thing. As you guys see right here, College Dropout album, Kanye West, first ever album that he released. You guys know Kanye West is my favorite artist. Just for inspiration, y'all, one of my favorite albums of all time, hip-hop wise. Next, we have my blue Yeti microphone that I got at Best Buy, I think in February or March of this year, y'all. This right here, I just recently got this new lamp. I've been real into this industrial type look for lamps and lighting or whatnot. I really like the vibe of it, and I love the heat type of exposure that it gets compared to the very white light of this LS photograph lighting. It just really gives off a good chill vibe. It really makes me feel calm in here and just makes it really homey. Next, I have my MacBook Pro, y'all, that I record all my videos on, that I edit with. Every single penny that I've made in my life, I've made on this computer. Or my MacBook Air that I used to work on, but it stopped working. I had it for 4 years, stopped working early 2018. Got this, y'all. Absolutely love it. Right behind it, y'all, is a whiteboard that I just recently purchased at Target. I think I'm going to put it where this 2K19 poster is, y'all. I've had this up since the game came out right here. I think I'm probably going to put it on the wall right here. So, and there is a lot of marks on this wall, y'all, my bad. Right here is kind of my inspiration wall. These are some of my biggest influences in my life. You look at Oprah Winfrey, Kanye West, LeBron James, Vaughn, Robison, all love. Steve Jobs. These are some of my favorite quotes of all time. I'll give you a few of them. Thomas Jefferson, I like the dreams of the future better than the history of the past. A lot of these quotes really get to me, y'all, and really motivate me to be better every single day. Now, going on to over here, this is my Logitech HD 1080p webcam that I use to record almost all my videos with. I'll occasionally change it out with a GoPro. I'll even record sometimes with the iPhone if I'm out somewhere trying to get some B-shot screens or B-roll screens. Have a bunch of expo markers and accessories that I got for the whiteboard. It hasn't been working too well. They gave me a different type of marker to use for it, and that's the only one that's been working, but I got a bunch of different colors, y'all. This duck right here, it has a pretty deep story meaning behind it, y'all, but shout out to the plug one time. Next, we have the graduation bear, y'all. Like I said, on to the same Kanye theme. This is my favorite album of all time, Graduation. I grew up listening to Stronger in the kindergarten up until like the 3rd grade in elementary school, y'all. So I had to get this bobblehead, y'all. This bobblehead costs like 25 bucks off Amazon. It's very limited. I'm really glad I got it, y'all, honestly. Like I said, it's my favorite album ever. Favorite songs on it, I Wonder, I Wonder, Homecoming, then probably Can't Tell Me Nothing. Next, we have this LS photograph lighting piece right here. I've had this since Christmas. I've been pretty impressed with it so far, yo. And then we also have my trash can. That is a basketball. It does come with a backboard, but the backboard is pretty loosey on it. It just hasn't been working out, so we're going to throw it out. Underneath here, yo, I do have a mirror that I look at, you know, before videos and whatnot. Make sure I'm looking all Gucci.
12 o'clock midnight.
Anyways, we just have some notes back here, y'all. I have a lot of folders and whatnot, a lot of books. This is just a huge notepad. I don't really use that to store a lot of my notes that I print out. And in there, I have a couple books in there that I've read. But yeah, nothing too important, y'all. We're going to, how about let's head over this way, y'all. Alright, so onto this, y'all. I just recently got this new lighting piece. This is kind of onto the same industrial type look, y'all. I forget the name of these bulbs, y'all, but these bulbs are pretty expensive. This piece right here is actually from an antique store that we got for 50 bucks. It's really nice, y'all. It turns on and off pretty easy. There we go. Next, I have been trying to read more, y'all. It's been pretty tough because I don't really read a lot. Like, all the quotes and famous stuff that I say, y'all, I normally get it from, like, you know, conversations with people or movies. But I've been trying to read this book a lot, y'all. How to Win Friends and Influence People. This is one of the best-selling books of all time. Dale Carnegie, one of the best authors of all time, y'all. I've read... It's not like a book where it has continuous chapters that align with each other. They're all chapters with different life lessons, y'all. I've read probably about 100 pages of this, y'all. It's honestly life-changing, y'all. If you guys are trying to be better with people or whatnot, and you guys have not read that book, y'all, please look up Dale Carnegie. Look at some of his books, y'all. It's absolutely amazing. Down here, we have the Elgato green screen. I've used it a couple times for some 2K videos. You guys don't have to see it set up. You guys know what happens. I mean, you open this up, open it on the other side, and it all comes up, y'all. Next, on the same Kanye trend, graduation, huge poster, y'all. Got this off Amazon. I don't think they have it anymore, but it's nice, y'all. It has come off a little bit, so you know I occasionally have to flatten it out, y'all, but I really like it. Of course, you guys know purple is my favorite color of the wall. So head over this way, y'all. Let's go. So I think to start, y'all, Slam magazine, LeBron was on the cover to start this season, y'all. I just had to put that poster right there. LeBron James Love Supreme. I don't know what that means, but I like the picture, y'all. Next, we have a Kobe Bryant Lakers jersey, y'all. I got this jersey in 2016, I think. I do not wear it that much, y'all, but I really like the color of it. It's one of my favorite throwback Lakers jerseys, y'all. If I had to choose a jersey from the bring back, it'd either be the Minneapolis ones that they brought back in 2017, 2018, or these ones, y'all. I absolutely love these. Next, we have another industrial type look lighting piece. Same light bulbs with those two, and I really like this, y'all. It's real simple, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Next, we have a LeBron Lakers poster. I love this, y'all. We did get this mounted last October, I'm pretty sure, when the season started. And right here, y'all, Polo Ralph Lauren bear pillow. You guys know the bear, the Polo bear is probably one of my favorite fashion piece by far. I grew up on it. And this pillowcase right here, y'all. This is my pillowcase from when I was like 2 years old. So we're talking about like 2003, 2004-ish, yo. I've had this. So, it's really comfortable, yo. And, of course, it's really cool. It has all the different type of bears. Polo's my favorite fashion company. I mean, if you guys watch any of the videos, you guys know that. But, yeah, yo. It always holds a soft spot in my heart. And then, obviously, LeBron James Lakers jersey over there, yo. Let's start over here, yo. So over here, guys, is my Kids See Ghosts album cover. I did get the vinyl version of this, y'all. This took literally about 6 months. I ordered it in, 5 months, excuse me. No, way more. So I ordered it in June when the album came out, Kids See Ghosts of 2018. It did not come to my house till January of 2019, y'all. So, KanyeWest.com, please fix the shipping. I beg you. Easy Supply has been better as of late, but I beg. Next, we have a Happy Holidays Lakers. I think my grandma got me this year, yo. Shout out to grandma one time. Another lighting piece. I'm just going to move this out of the way for now. I don't know where to put it, but we have right here LeBron James 2016 Finals MVP. I got this, I think in 2016 for Christmas. I forget when I got it. I got it at some weird mall or something. I forget. It might have been in Cleveland or Akron, but I've had that for a while, yo. Next, we just have a stool for if someone wants to come chill and play 2K with me. Or I just leave it to keep my vinyls. This is not all my vinyls, y'all. You saw the College Dropout one, the Kids See Ghosts one. I also have Good Kid, Mad City. I think I have the Michael Jackson one still. I'm trying to get more. But these three right here, Take Care. Possibly Drake's best album. If you don't count it, if you're reading this, it's too late. So Nothing Was the Same is also up there. But this is definitely a top three, y'all. Definitely a top three Drake project. Next, we have Man on the Moon, Kid Cudi, one of my favorite projects of all time in music. I love Kid Cudi. Probably my second or third favorite artist right now. Honestly, number 2 might be Chance. I've been reeling the Chance lately, yo. And then my Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy. You guys know the story. Probably the best hip-hop album of all time. So, next, we have a Samsung Smart TV. This is amazing, y'all. I had a Sharp TV that we got in, I think, 2012. I've had that since yesterday. Like I said, we just got a whole bunch of new stuff for our house, y'all. So this is an upgrade for me. I had originally a 65-inch Sharp TV that was thick, or was pretty wide on the outside. So this is definitely an upgrade for me, y'all. I love the resolution that it shows, y'all. And it is a smart TV, so you obviously get a bunch of apps and whatnot. This is on YouTube right now. I'm not going to change it, but you can get Netflix, Hulu, and whatnot. So I really like this, y'all. If you guys are interested in getting this TV, I highly recommend it. Okay. And we just have Kanye Breakfast Club. If you guys come in here, we try and put some on the TV, like music or whatnot, just to make the vibe a little bit better. iPhone 7, you know, trying to get an upgrade. I love the 10XR, or the XR. I've had this since 2016 when the 7 came out. Here, I just recently took down a picture of like a football field. I'm trying to get a cool picture to put up here, like maybe a skyline of Cincinnati or whatnot, or of LA. But I just put my baptism certificate from Worcester, Ohio, right outside of Akron. That's why there's another nail right there, because it was like a landscape type view, yo. Over here is over here, guys, is my 2016 Cleveland Cavaliers NBA champions. My mom won this in like a raffle or something at one of these like parent meetings that she went to for like, I don't even know, but she got me this last summer, yo. I don't know how she won it, but it's really nice, yo. Actually, really nice. Another lighting piece, y'all, from LS Photograph on Amazon. Had this since Christmas, y'all. Like I said, this like glaring white light, I know it looks like it adds a lot more lighting for videos or whatnot, but I love the more warm feeling like some of those bulbs have, y'all. But yeah, that's a 360 around my room, y'all. So well, y'all, that will do it. I've had this bed, by the way, for 8 years. I don't sleep on it too much. It does have a pull-out mattress underneath, y'all, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That is my room tour. Like I said, there's going to be some changes coming, especially with the top above the TV, y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. If you guys are new, thank you so much for love support. Cannot thank you enough. More videos coming on the way. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm really glad to be back, y'all. I just needed a mental break to get everything right. I'm going to try and upload a lot more back to my normal schedule that I've been using, or that I've been on for the last year and a half. So, y'all, thank you so much for everything. I couldn't have done any of this without you guys. And I'm not going to lie, y'all, the sub count, the views, everything has been down the last month, y'all. Compared to where we were on that run from like November on till the end of the NBA season, y'all, it's been down. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It is upsetting, and I let it get the best of me. So we're going to build from here. To everyone that has supported me, I cannot thank you guys enough. And yeah, 2020s we're coming in with a Viking entrance, y'all. But 2019, we still got a lot of damage to do. We still got a lot of stuff to do, y'all. But anything for you guys. If you guys need anything, please reach out. I know this is a very stressful time for so many people. You know, we have people graduating, deciding on where to go to college. We have people, you know, being affected by social media. We have teens more than ever committing suicide, being diagnosed with depression. Mental health is something that we need to talk about more. So if you guys need absolutely anything, y'all, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm here for you guys. And that's what I got, y'all. Stay blessed. All love 2019. You guys are amazing. Keep being yourselves. Keep following your dreams. Keep being you. Someone might be prettier. Someone will be smarter. Someone might be younger. Someone might be faster. But they will never be you, y'all. Stay blessed. All love. I'm out, y'all.